Hi everybody, this is Barton Rubenstein, co-founder of the Mother Earth Project. I am going to give a short tutorial today about how to reach out to people on Instagram to encourage them to create a parachute for our Parachutes for the Planet project. I am here on my iPhone, and first I'm starting to show you by showing you the motherearthproject.org website. As you open it, it asks you to join and add your name and email, which we are obviously encouraging people to do. And by doing that, we can send out information about events. This is the Parachutes page, which is right here, as you can see, the second one down. And basically, on the Parachutes page gives you all the instructions. As you can see, there are buttons here, 6 buttons that allow you to go down and figure out how to make your parachute. You can buy a parachute from Amazon. It's actually a cloth that needs to be cut into a circle. And here are an image of how to do that. Or you can just take a bed sheet, and the shape obviously should be of a circle, but the size, we recommend up to 12 feet in diameter, but a bed sheet is obviously less than that amount. So going back to Instagram, if you open your Instagram account, you basically will push the bottom left button, which is the house button, and then at the top right is the little airplane, paper airplane, and hit that button, and that will take you to all of your Instagram messages, your direct messages, your DMs. So what I'd like you to do is in the search line, look for things like sustainability. Like here's one here, sustain.soutenir. If we choose that, that's somebody out there that obviously is focused on sustainability. And the first message that I send them is, I have a key replacement, so it speeds things up. I type in TTT, and that's the first message that I send them. I'll show it to you now. It says, #MyParachute. Thanks for following the Mother Earth Project to raise awareness about saving the environment. We are asking people worldwide to create a parachute, virtual or a 4-meter circular cloth with artwork and sustainable comments for the upcoming exhibition in Washington, D.C. It is simple to do and fun. Check out the website for instructions. Click below, Parachutes for the Planet, www.motherearthproject.org/parachutes. And then I send it to them, okay? And it also comes with a image, automatically loads an image. So this is what you should create in your text replacement. I'll show you how to do that in a second. If they respond, many times they will respond with just a heart, like this, okay? But I'm gonna unsend that. And if they do respond, like with a heart or, yeah, that sounds like a great idea, I type this one, a GGG, which basically means, great, please let us know if you have any questions, and we look forward to seeing your parachute, okay? And hit send, but I'm not gonna do that because they haven't responded yet, okay? So let's assume that they have responded to, please let us know if you can, let's say I've done that, and they respond again, yeah, I'm definitely gonna make the parachute. Then the next text you can send them is this one. And this one says, and it would be great if you could send us some progress photos of you creating your parachute so we can post them on social media. Best, Barton and the MEP team, with the email below it, themotherearthproject@gmail.com. So instead of putting Barton, you would put your name, Best, your name, and the MEP team, and you would send that, okay? So the reason why this is a good direct DM is because it basically engages them. Oh, we need to also do photos and send it to them. And that's sort of another way to engage And the last thing that I send is for people that are really gung-ho and they respond to that very positively. I have another one that's called SSS, the text replacement, and that says, also, we would be hugely appreciative if you could share the Parachutes for the Planet project with other schools/clubs, as spreading the word about sustainability is essential. And I'd send that. So that basically summarizes the way I would interact. And going back here to the different people, you could look up sustain, you can look up renewable energy, and basically choose all of these and go to it. Or you could go to anything you want. Oceans, you might find some interesting things there that look interesting. Basically, anybody you think has any interest, doesn't have to be only your friends, you could just look around. And then that's where you would, let's see, green energy. Okay, there's another one. Green life. Let's do this one. Green life, I'll send it to them. Okay? And one other thing here, you tap that thing at the bottom. Again, I'll show you. I'm going to just delete it. But when you type in, I'm just deleting this, TTT, right below it, as you can see it in the middle, you tap that with your thumb where it says Parachutes. That's where it fills it in, and then you hit send. Okay? Now, another thing is when you see that green eLife right here at the top, to the right of it is that I button. You can also look there and then hit the actual icon, and it'll take you to their thing. And here, it doesn't have any interesting information, but sometimes they'll say like, we're from New Zealand, okay? And if you do see that, New Zealand, let's go back. You can say here, this is, right afterwards I can say, this is what I put in. We would love to receive a parachute from, and I do it in caps. I double click the shift button, New Zealand, and I type in New Zealand. So this is at the top. Once I send the above first DM, then afterwards I say, we would love to receive a parachute from New Zealand, and that is another way to connect. But I'm not going to do that here because there's no reference to New Zealand on their site. Last, I want to just show you in settings, the top left, you click settings, and then you come down and hit general, and then you come down and you hit keyboard, and then right here it says text replacement. Okay, now this is where I have all my text replacements. So what you can do at the top right, hit the plus button, and this is your basic phrase. Let's say I want to say my name, Barton, and then here I can say BBB. That would be my shortcut. So now every time I type in BBB, it will automatically fill it with the text Barton instead. So if I have, let's say I put my name Barton Rubenstein. Okay, Barton Rubenstein, BBB. Okay, I save it. Now, if we go back to the Instagram right here, let me just show you here. I type in BBB, and sure enough, Barton Rubenstein, I fill it in with that. So that gives you a way to add large chunks of text that you don't have to retype each time, and it makes this process of reaching out to Instagram followers really easy. So good luck reaching out and encouraging people around the world to make parachutes. And please let me know if you have any questions at themotherEarthProject@gmail.com. Thanks, and good luck.